What's up, my Mind Your Money business folks? It's me yet again with another video on today's stock market news because I almost forgot the market was open today until 1 p.m. So I'm a little late. Yeah. So hopefully you're in the market and not trying to time the market because that is simply impossible to do. And hopefully you're still not straddling the fence. And you are investing into appreciating assets that include yourselves because you should be appreciating as you get older. I'm tired too, people. Okay, anywho, it says here the S&P 500 Dow rise to end a rocky month. Nasdaq snapped 7-month win streak. So U.S. stocks rose during a holiday-shortened trading day on Friday as a volatile month drew a close and Nasdaq Composite snapped a 7-month win streak. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite and blue-chip Dow Jones Industrial Average led the market higher on Black Friday, gaining around 0.6%. The generalist S&P 500 rose 0.5%, marking the fifth straight day of gains for the major indexes. Okay. So stocks rebounded sharply this week as traders ramped up bets that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in its meeting in December, less than 2 weeks away. So renewed faith on the AI trade provided a tailwind for tech names in the run-up to Thursday's trading shutdown for Thanksgiving holiday. For the Thanksgiving holiday. However, the Nasdaq Composite and S&P 500 ended a rocky month of trading with losses. Yes, they did. A sharp cool down in mega-cap tech names has led a decline for November as investors reassess how quickly AI-driven businesses can translate hype into sustainable profits. Yeah. The Nasdaq snapped a 7-month run of gains with monthly losses of nearly 2%. The S&P 500 fell 0.6% during the month following a 6-month winning streak. So you did have a win streak, which is a good thing, right? Leading up to this point. So earlier in the day, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange restored trading operations after a long outage disrupted live trading in futures and options across several markets worldwide, including U.S. Treasury and U.S. crude oil. So as November wraps up, analysts are rolling out their stock market predictions for the year ahead. So they're setting a target of the S&P 500 of 8,000 by the end of 2026. Okay, at the highest end of forecasts. And JP Morgan expect the benchmark index to hover around the 7,500 mark. Yeah, so markets closed early on Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time with no major earnings or economic data releases on the docket. And that's pretty much it. It was a short day. Not a lot happened. So let's see what took place in the market with some stocks. Nvidia lost, it looks like Nvidia lost $3.26 today, closing out at $177. FTEC, Information Technology ETF, gained $1.50 today, closing out at $224.28. Broadcom gained $5.39 today, closing out at $402.97 or 96 cents. Tesla gained $3.59 today, closing out at $430.17. Palantir gained $2.68 today, closing out at $168.45. SPYM, the S&P 500 ETF, gained 43 cents today, closing out at $80.39. And that's pretty much it, people, for today's stock market news. Not a heck of a lot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving holiday. Hopefully you didn't eat too much. But in the meantime and in the between time, continue to get out of debt, people. It's very important that you get out of debt and you start investing. I'm going to restructure my portfolio. I'm now looking into energy stocks, ETFs. I'm looking into gold and copper and silver. Going to diversify my portfolio even more because I'm just reading all these reports that are saying a lot of different things. So I figure just diversify my portfolio to be safe regardless of what may or may not happen first quarter of next year. Rather just have my portfolio very, very, very diversified. So yeah, that's my plan. Hopefully you have one. Again, start living below your means. Get out of the personal loan debt. Get out of the car loan debt. Get out of the student loan debt. Get out of the credit card debt. Americans are in trillions of dollars worth of debt. The government is in trillions of dollars worth of debt. Something's about to happen. There's going to be a reset whenever it does happen. A lot of people are not prepared. This AI, this automation, things that are coming online, unemployment, there's a lot that's happening that I don't believe a lot of people see or understand. So when it takes effect, it may be shocking to people because, again, they're not prepared for what's to come. I see it. It's not good. It's not bad. It's just what it is. But if you are prepared, it doesn't matter because you're prepared. But there are so many people that are still distracted, not paying attention. They just don't see what's coming in the future. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. So like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. If you think anything at all, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I pretending to be one. Any and all information on my channel is for entertainment purposes only, and it just expresses my opinion. So please consult with a financial advisor before you invest any of your hard-earned money. All right, you guys take care. Have a blessed day. Peace. Love y'all.